Hello and welcome back to Boopolo channel. My name is Pascal. Today I'm going to do a review of a Super Sparrow water bottle for running. It's a lightweight one. It was sent to me by Super Sparrow themselves to test, and because they know I go running on the road and they know I do lots of water bottles. I've used it 2 evenings in a row. Why would you use the plastic one rather than the insulated one? Well, number one is the weight. This one has all the measurements on the side, so it holds over 26 ounces. 26 ounces, it goes hold up it says 750 to here and to here. I will show you how it works in a moment. I will weigh this one for you, right? And I will weigh a much smaller flask. I'll do it in ounces for you. And this one only weighs 6.7 ounces and it holds 26 ounces. I have a hydro flask, the little baby one, and this one is 18 ounces and it weighs 11.2. I'm going to be at 16 ounces if this is if I put the 32 ounce one in, you can see the huge difference in it. So, number two, the best temperature for hydrating while you are running or thing is not very cold water. It's not 4 or 5 degrees Celsius water. It's 16 Celsius water is considered the best hydration. I noticed the last 2 days when I went, I drank more water from this one than I did from the hydro flask. I drank the whole lot of this yesterday evening, and normally I will drink the whole of the hydro flask and it's only 18 ounces. That is the advantage. Now, let me see how it works. If you know my videos before, I am not a lover of straws while I'm running, right? So I do like sipping, and this is a sipper. So it has a safety catch on it. If you leave the safety catch, you might not need that, but it fits in my water belt. Here is my water belt. I use this all the time because I'm going out in temperatures of 80 degrees or 75 degrees. When the sun just goes down, it's still hot. That fits in perfect in there like this, look. So I'm able to carry 26 ounces. I cannot carry 26 ounces in insulated one, not comfortably anyway. So we'll set that aside. I use that, I'd be lost without that. When you pull this lever down, then you just press this button and this pops up. You have the water goes in and it comes out through here. There is a vent here to let the air back in, to equalize if you put your mouth over the whole thing. The water goes into you very, very quickly, right? So on here we have a seal, a rubber seal that seals this, and on here we have a seal that seals the vent. These are silicone seals. It comes with a spare set. Now, thank you very much, Super Sparrow, for sending a spare set. It does come in the box, so not just for me. So it clicks back on like that. It's really easy to use while you are running. I do speed walking mostly, and the wide mouth is no chance. Standard mouth, you will still splash yourself. With a sipper or one like this sipper, you don't spill any water. It has a nice handle on it as well. I'll just show you how quick it is. Or you can lock it. You can do this, you don't need to, you can do it with one hand. You can take it out with one hand. And then press the button and go. Yeah, very nice. The plastic is hard plastic. It's, well, semi-hard. It says what the plastic is Triton plastic and it's BPA free and toxin free, of course. So what I'll do first, before I put water in it, I'm going to give you the measurement from top to bottom as it is like that, and it is just slightly under 10 inches. And on the diameter, it's a little bit narrower on the bottom. I would say it's coming in at 3 1/8, or a little slight bit more than 3 1/8. Because it's wide mouth, you can put the big round cubes of ice into it if you so wish. But I have a water cooler, and the water is cooled, and that's what I fill it with. And it's coming in, the water is going into it at about 10 degrees Celsius, or a little bit colder. Then the water goes up to about 16 then. This is the part where I always spill the water, for those that are following me. This is filtered water that comes from, that we use for training. It comes in big drum and it goes through the cooler. Now you can see the water through it. I'm not sure if you can see there because the way the lights are. But I'll put the lid on it first and then we will see, can we turn it on its side. But if I turn it on its side, then you won't be able to see where the water is. Now, see, no leak. Perfect. As always, my water bottles don't leak. So that's my short video on the Triton sports bottle for running specifically, lightweight. And thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe.